Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 205 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this we do need a SIM ejector, as I have one right here. At least I think, yep, we do. So this can be found in a box where the device came in, and it's somewhere between the paperwork. Now you can use this, or you can also just grab a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have one of them, push the pin in, and the tray pops out, as you can see, just a little bit. Now for you to just grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for either two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, you can just place one of the SIM cards sideways on the SD tray. But if you're going to be using one of each, move it over here, pop in the SD, and there we go. So from here, carefully insert it back into the device. Carefully, because there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could come out with some like vibrations. Once you pop them in, as you can see, the phone starts to recognize the cards automatically, so it's telling me to confirm my SIM card pin. So the SIM card is working, and the SD card should be working as well. Yep, there we go. So both of the cards are working just fine, and that is how we can insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.